Samsung has been consistent in delivering new versions of its One UI software skin alongside each major Android release since 2018, starting with One UI 1.0 based on Android 9. Now, as Android 15's beta period nears its conclusion, anticipation is building around Samsung's upcoming One UI 7. Leaks suggest that One UI 7 will be a significant overhaul compared to the minor updates we've seen in recent versions. However, there are also hints that this new software might not arrive on our devices as quickly as some might hope. Here's everything you need to know about One UI 7. An open beta could begin any time now, but the timeline remains uncertain. Samsung has yet to announce which devices will be eligible for the One UI 7 beta or when the program will start. As in previous years, the beta might initially be limited to users of the US, Korea, and Germany. The first sign of One UI 7 came in May when an internal test build was spotted on Samsung's servers shortly after the public beta for Android 15 began. In June, well-known leaker Ice Universe reported that Samsung was delaying its public One UI 7 beta plans to focus on getting One UI 6.11 onto the S24 series. One UI 6.11, which launched with the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6, includes several new Galaxy AI features and is considered a significant update. It's possible that One UI 6.11 is laying the groundwork for features that will appear in One UI 7, and it's expected to reach Galaxy S24 phones in August. About a month later, Ice Universe hinted that the One UI 7 beta might start in late July or early August, assuming no unexpected issues arose. Now that we're well into August, this prediction seems less likely. In late July, Max Jambour from All About Samsung suggested that the One UI 7 public beta might be delayed even further, citing reports that the current internal beta is very buggy. According to Sammobile, the beta program is now expected to kick off around the third week of August. We've already seen a lot of leaks, and it seems One UI 7 will be based on Android 15, bringing all the system-level updates that Android 15 is expected to introduce. These include features like built-in app archival and a private space locked folder for sensitive apps. But it's the visual changes that have sparked the most discussion. One UI 7 is shaping up to be one of the most significant generational updates we've seen from Samsung. Leaks suggest that the design language will borrow heavily from iOS with elements like a dynamic island-style system notification animation. In July, Ice Universe tweeted that One UI 7 may be the most changed version in the history of One UI, mentioning redesigned icons for Samsung system apps. Another leaker, Chunbai, reported that various aspects of One UI 7 have been redesigned to resemble iOS, including the new icons and a revamped notification panel. He even shared an image of what seems to be Samsung's new gallery icon, which looks strikingly similar to Apple's Photos icon. It's longer than expected. However, the latest information suggests that the beta should begin sometime in August. Once the Galaxy S24 series receives the latest stable One UI build version 6.1, we anticipate that the One UI 7 beta will be available shortly afterward. That's it for today. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Today, we've got some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming foldable smartphones. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 series, and more specifically, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which is rumored to be coming to China and Korea. Let's dive right in. Among the many Galaxy Z Fold 6 models that are currently in development in Samsung's labs, the one that has everyone buzzing is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Now, if you're familiar with Samsung's Ultra-branded smartphones, you know they are designed to be the best of the best, offering high-end features and cutting-edge technology. While the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to bring some minor incremental upgrades, all eyes are undoubtedly on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. However, here's the catch. The Ultra isn't expected to get a global release. But don't worry, it seems this powerhouse of a device won't be restricted to just Samsung's home country, South Korea. According to the folks over at Android Headlines, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra could also be launching in China. This is particularly interesting because it seems the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, which we've been hearing about with its slimmer body, bigger displays, and larger battery, might actually be the Chinese variant of the Fold 6 Ultra. If this is true, it would clear up some of the confusion we've seen in recent weeks about how many models Samsung is actually working on. It might just be two: the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Ultra, limited to Korea and China for now, would allow Samsung to gauge interest levels before potentially bringing it to a wider audience. In China, the Z Fold 6 Ultra may be sold as the Samsung Go U25, complete with unique visual touches like decorative engravings on the hinge, similar to previous Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And here's another interesting tidbit. China might also get the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as the W25 Flip. This is speculative at this point, but it aligns with rumors that Samsung is also working on a Galaxy Z Flip 6 Slim. Now, unfortunately, there isn't a lot of detailed information about what exactly the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will offer compared to the Z Fold 6. This is probably because the Ultra model isn't launching alongside the standard model, but we can expect more details to emerge once the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 goes official at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event next month. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events are always full of surprises, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us this time. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra live up to the hype? Will it bring groundbreaking features that set it apart from the standard model? Only time will tell. To be an upgrade. While rumors suggest a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal breaker for some users. Ross Yan also mentioned that production for the Z Fold 6 Ultra's display panels might begin later this year, with a launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release makes sense. It avoids competing with the July launch of the regular Fold 6 and keeps the Ultra exclusive to South Korea for now, which might frustrate international buyers. Speaking of launches, rumors suggest the next Galaxy Unpacked event might be happening on July 10th in Paris, France. However, Tipster eLeaks' list of expected reveals didn't include the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean no Fold 6 Ultra this year? Probably not. eLeaks' list might only include devices launched. A leaked photo a few days ago looks a bit cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone, expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. Now, let's move to the front. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is leaked and reveals that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared this full image showing the front of the device and comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen that matches the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster shared a photo that seems to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design, it's doubtful Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing the Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the wider cover screen and new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.